Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace puddle lights on your Dodge Ram. First, gather your tools, including a plastic trim removal tool and your new puddle light assembly. Make sure your truck is turned off and the doors are closed to prevent any electrical issues. Now, locate the puddle light, which is typically found on the underside of your side mirror housing. With your trim tool, gently pry around the edges of the old puddle light housing. It should pop out with a little pressure. Once it's loose, you'll see the electrical connector. Press the small release tab on the connector and carefully pull it apart. Take a moment to inspect the wiring and the connector for any signs of wear or damage before proceeding. Now take your new puddle light and connect it to the vehicle's electrical harness. Make sure you hear a click, indicating a secure connection. Before fully installing, open a door to test the light. It should illuminate. If it works, align the new light housing with the opening in the mirror and firmly press it into place until it snaps securely. Double-check that your new puddle light is seated flush and securely in the mirror housing. Give it a gentle wiggle to ensure it won't come loose. If you have other puddle lights to replace, simply repeat these steps for each one. For added protection against moisture, you might consider applying a small amount of dielectric grease to the electrical connector.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.